Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. As you know that we are currently studying chapter number 1, that is number and arithmetic operations. And in this chapter today the topic which we are going to learn is addition and subtraction. I know you all are very much familiar about these two words addition and subtraction, but in this video I will tell you some further and new concepts about these two words, that is addition and subtraction. So in this video you will learn three things. Number one, how to add and subtract big numbers horizontally and vertically, and then you will learn some common keywords that are commonly used for addition and subtraction, and then we will solve some examples having those keywords. So before starting our examples, let me tell you what is horizontal and vertical form of the question. You can see this line, this is horizontal line. So if a question is written in this form, like for example 3 plus 5 is equals to 8, this is the horizontal form of the question. Similarly, this is vertical line. So if the question is written in this form, for example 3 plus 5 is equals to 8, this is the same example in the horizontal form and same example in vertical form. The answer is 8 in both the examples. So in your exams or in your test, the question may be given to you in horizontal form or may be given to you in vertical form. Now let's see some examples of addition and subtraction in both forms. So students, these are the two examples of addition and subtraction that is given to you in vertical form. You can see both the examples are written in vertical form. But before start explanation of this example, let me tell you an important thing that when 0 is added or subtracted to or from any number, the answer will be the number itself. For example, if you add 0 to 5, 5 plus 0, the answer will be the same, that is 5. And similarly, if you subtract 0 from any number, for example, let's take an example of 5. If you subtract 0 from 5, the answer will be the same, that will be 5. This thing will be more clear to you when you will see more examples in this video. So this is our first example of addition. This sign, you know, this sign is the addition sign, and when this sign is given to you, it means you have to add your given numbers. Okay, two numbers are given to us. Our first number is 6-digit number and our second number is also a 6-digit number. Before starting, students, remember one thing: when we have to add or subtract our numbers, always we start adding or subtracting from the right side. So always from the you start always from the right side and then move towards left side. And you know very well from our place value chart, this is the right this column is ones column, you know very well, and this column is tens column, this is hundreds column, this is thousands column, this is 10,000s column, and this is hundred thousands column. So when we start adding or subtracting, we always start from the ones column. Now in the ones column, we have 5 and 0. 5 plus 0, answer will be 5. In tens column, we have 6 and 3. 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. In hundreds column, we have 8 and 5. So 8 plus 5 is equals to 13. From 13, we will write 3 here, and 1 will be the carry. Okay. Now in this column, in thousands column, we have 1, 3 and 9. When we add these three numbers, the answer will be 13. Again, we will write 3 here, and the carry will be towards the next column. This is 10,000s column, and in this column we have also 3 digit 1, 5 and 6. We will add these 3 digits. 6 plus 5 plus 1, the answer will be 12. We write 2 here and 1 will be the carry to the next column. In this column we have 1, 7 and 1. When we add these 3 digits, the answer will be the 9. So we have added all the digits and our answer is 900,000. sorry, 923,395. This is our final answer. Okay, let's move to the another example, that is of subtraction example. This sign, this is the subtraction sign, and you know very well this sign shows you that you have to subtract the given numbers. Okay, in this example, also we have given two numbers. The first number is consists of 6 digits, and the second number is of 5 digits. Again, we will start from the right side, or you can say we will start from the ones column. In this example, in ones column we have 9 and 7. When we subtract 7 from 9, the answer will be 2. Then when we subtract 4 from 8, 8 minus 4 will be 4. Then 3 minus 2 will be 1, and then 6 minus 4 will be 2, and then 4 minus 9, we cannot minus 9 from the 4, so we will take borrow 1 from the next digit, that is 7. If we take 1 as a borrow from 7, so it will, the 4 will become 14, and 14 minus 9 will be 5. Now as 7 has given 1, its 1 to the 4, so 7 will become 6. Now it will not consider as 7, it will consider as 6. Now 6, we don't have any digit here, so 6 will be copied as it is. So this is our final answer, which is 6,52,142. We have solved two examples of addition and subtraction that was given to us in vertical form. Now you will see two examples of addition and subtraction that will be given to you in horizontal form. Now these are the examples in horizontal form. In example number 1, you can clearly see that the question is given in horizontal form, and in this question we have given three numbers. This is number 1, number 2 and number 3. This question is written in horizontal form, and between these numbers the sign is plus, which means we have to add these numbers. In solution, we cannot add these numbers which are given to us in horizontal form directly. So what we have to do, we have to copy all the numbers in vertical form first. For copy the number in vertical form, among all the numbers, first number which we will select will be the biggest number. In this example, this is the biggest number, so our first number will be this number, and then our second number will be the smaller number. In this example, it is a smaller number, and at the last, this is the smallest number, so at the last we will write this number. But make sure all the digits should be placed correctly in its respective column. For example, in this example, 0, 8 and 2 belongs to the ones column, so it should be in one column. 1, 4 and 7 belongs to the tens column, so it should be correctly placed in a line to make a column. And then 0, 6, 4 belongs to the hundreds column. It should be placed in a line to make correct column. And then 6, 7 and 3 belongs to the thousands column. Again, it should be these three digits should be placed correctly. And then 1 and 8 belongs to the 10,000s column, and 3 and 1 belongs to the 100,000s column. Once you have correctly placed all the digits and you have copied your question in the vertical form, now it is very simple to add up these digits. Again, you have to remember that when we start adding the digits, we start from the right side, as I told you before. Okay, from the right side, 8 plus 2, 0, and carry will be 1. By adding these digits, answer is 13. 3 here, carry will be the 1. By adding these digits, answer will be 11. Here we will write 1, carry will be the 1. And then by adding these digits, answer will be the 17. So we will write 7 here, and 1 will be the carry. By adding these digits, answer will be the 10. So 0 here and 1 will be the carry. And by adding these digits, answer will be 5. So this is our final answer, which is 507,130. Now let's move to the example B. So this is our second example. This example belongs to the subtraction, because we have the minus sign here, which tells us that we have to subtract these two given numbers. Again, this question is written in horizontal form and we cannot solve it directly. So we have to copy these two numbers in vertical form. We will start copying the number by taking up the biggest number first. So this is the biggest number. First we will write this number, and after this number we will write this number which is a smaller number. Again, you have to make sure all the digits should be placed in their respective column correctly, and then when we start subtracting the digits we will start from the right side. As we have to minus 0 minus 4, we cannot subtract 4 from the 0, so we will take borrow from the next digit which is also 0. We cannot take borrow, so we will take the borrow, start taking borrow 1 from the digit 5. 5 will give the 1 to this 0. This 0 will become 10 and 5 will remain 4. Now from 10 we will give the 1 as a borrow to the next 0, and this 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Now again with the same procedure, this 0 will become 10 and 10 minus 4 will be 6. This 10 will was remains 9, so 9 minus 2 will be 7. This 9 minus 2 will be 1. Sorry, 9 minus 8 will be 1, 9 minus 0 will be 9, 9 minus 6 will be 3, and at the last 4 minus 3 will be 1. Now these are some keywords that are commonly used for addition and subtraction. For the addition, the most common words which we use are add. You know, add means the plus or addition, more than, plus, sum, altogether, total, increase and combine. These words show the question is given to us belongs to the addition. These are the words that commonly used for the subtraction: the subtract, less than, take away, difference, minus, left, how much more. These words which we use for the subtraction. Now these are the examples of addition which having those keywords. For example, a question is given to you: 500 more than 99,650. Now now the question is arise that what we have to do in this question. We have to add these numbers or we have to subtract these numbers, because we have not given any sign here. So this by these words, more than, these keywords, we can identify that this question belongs to the addition and we have to add these two numbers 500 and 900 650. These two numbers we have to add them. Okay, again in solution what we have to do, we will start copying these numbers in the vertical form. As I told you before, first we will copy down the biggest number. 99,650 is the biggest number, so we will start copy this number first, and then at the second we will copy 500. Okay, again you have to make sure that all the digits should be placed correctly in their columns. Now once you done with this work, now you can add up these numbers very easy. Okay, let's move to the another example. For example, the question may be given to you: 15,651 plus 500. Plus means, you know, plus. So or the question may be given to, this question can be given to you like this: add 500 and 15,651. By these keywords plus and add, you can identify that this question belongs to the addition, and what we have to do, we have to add these two given numbers. Again we will start copying down the question in vertical form. First we will take the biggest number at the top, and then in the second we will copy another number, and again you have to make sure that all the digits should be placed correctly in their columns. And of course for addition we will start from the right side, and this is our final answer. Students, this is another example of addition. For example, maybe question is given to you like: find the sum of the largest 5-digit number and the smallest 4 digits number. So the sum, this keyword sum will tell you that you have to add these numbers. But in this question, numbers are not given to us, but we have given the largest 5 digits number. So in the solution, we will first write these numbers. The largest 5-digit number will be 99,999 and the smallest 4-digit number will be 1000. Once you have written these two numbers, then what you have to do, this sum means you have to add up these two numbers. Again, you will copy down these two numbers in vertical form and then add up these numbers, and after adding these numbers, this will be your answer. These are some examples of subtraction using those keywords. Example number 1, we have given 1000 less than 9686. This keyword less than means you have to subtract in this question. Again, you will copy the question in vertical form and then you will subtract it. In the second example, we have given find the difference between 1250 and 1150. This keyword difference will tell you that you have to subtract in this question. Again, what you have to do, you have to copy these numbers in the vertical form, biggest number first and smaller number second, and then you will minus these numbers to have your answer. These are another example. For example, you have given subtract 12,849 from 36,738. So this keyword subtract will tell you that you have to subtract these two numbers or you have to minus these two numbers. So again, you have to copy down these numbers in the vertical form. First number will be the biggest number and second will be the smallest number. All the digits should be placed correctly in their columns, and you will start minus these digits from the right side to get your final answer. This is another example, that is take away 874,528 from 909,059. So this keyword take away will tell you that you have to perform subtraction in this example. Again, you have to copy down these two numbers in the vertical form, biggest number first and smaller number second. All the digits should be placed in their columns correctly, and then from the right side, starting from the right side, you will subtract all the digits to get your final answer. So students, that's all from this video. I hope you understand all the things. Keep practicing to make your understanding more clear. Thank you.